I want to know. I want to know why you like talking over me every time I want to talk on the phone. And you keep saying I'm oh bad. I'm a bad oh bad oh. Are you a bad bird? You being a bad bird? Really? Are you a good bird? You just want to talk over me. Bad bird, I know. You think you're a bad bird. Bad bird? Huh? Say, I'm a good bird. Huh? Are you just... You're going to keep talking over me, telling me you're bad? You are being a bad bird. I know. Hello? What, you want me to keep talking so you can talk over me? I know, and say I'm a bad, oh bad bird. Yeah. And you're trying to not be put to bed. You're trying to stay awake. And it's time to get covered and go night-night. Bad, oh bad bird. Yeah. I know. It's time to go to bed. It's time to go night-night. It's time to get up on your night-night perch and go night-night. You always have to argue with me about it. No arguing. It's time to go to bed. It's time to go night-night. You go night-night at 8 o'clock at night. Every night. Yeah. Really? Yeah. You're gonna, okay. Okay, are you ready to go to bed now? It's time to go night-night? Huh? You ready to go night-night now? I got your sheet. I got your cover on your bed. Come on, let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. What? Time to go. Now, why are you peeking? I covered you up and you got to peek. It's time to go to bed. Go get on your perch. Go get up on your perch. Go get up on your perch. It's time to go night-night. 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 Oh, night-night. Night-night. What are you doing? Are you peeking? Why are you peeking? Hello. Hello. Say night-night. Don't tell me kisses. Night-night.